Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello children, how are you all? Hope you are staying safe. Alhamdulillah. Welcome back to our social class. Alhamdulillah, we have completed our portions. And now it's time to revise. Let's start our revision with the lesson 5 landforms. Do you remember children what are the 5 landforms? Yes, they are Kurunji, Mullai, Palai, Marudam and Neidal, isn't it? Yeah, they are called as 5 Thinais. 5 Thinais are nothing but 5 landforms. Kurunji refers to mountains, Mullai refers to forest and Palai to dry lands and Marudam to the fields and Neidal refers to the seashore, isn't it? Yeah. Kurunji refers to mountain and mountainous region and forest comes under Mullai. Agricultural land or fields comes under Marudam. And seashore comes under Neidal and dry land refers to Palai. Dry land is otherwise known as fallow land. Come on, repeat. Kurunji, Mullai, Neidal, Marudam and Palai. Understood? Yes. Among these 5 Thinais, only 4 types were permanent. They were Kurunji, Mullai, Marudam and Neidal. The 5th land, Palai, was formed when Kurunji and Mullai dried up. Got it? Yes. Let's see Kurunji and Mullai in detail in today's session. Mountain and its surroundings are known as Kurunji land. Mountain is a large geographical area that rises above the surrounding land with peaks. Now let us discuss about the theme of Kurunji. The theme deals with the people, occupation, plant, flower, animal, bird and musical instrument. Let's start with the type of agriculture. That is, shifting cultivation is an important type of agriculture carried out here. And plants like bamboo, vengai is seen here. And the occupation of the people living here are gathering honey and hunting. And crops like millet found here in abundance and spices are also seen here. And birds like parrot and peacock and animals like elephant, snake and tiger is seen here. And weapons like shield, bow and arrow. An instrument like Kurunji yar is found here. And people living here are Kuravar and Kuratiyar. They are hunters and gatherers. And rich people among them are Verpan, leader of the tribe, Silamban, master of the martial arts, Porupan, soldiers live here. Now let's discuss about the soil of Kurunji land. Land of Kurunji was composed of red soil and black soils with stones and pebbles. The miraculous Kurunji flower grows once in 12 years. It grows well in the Western Ghats and it has some medicinal value. It cures some neurological disorders. Next, let's discuss about the chief hills. Servarayan Hills, which is a major hill station in the Eastern Ghats. And Animalai Hills in the Western Ghats. Apart from these 2 hills, Kolli Hills, Nilgiris and Elagiri Hills are the important tourist attractions. You can use this tabular column for revising the theme of Kurunji. Next, we move on to Mullai land. A large area covered by trees is called as forest. The forest areas is referred to as Mullai land. This Mullai land is also called as Sembulam. Do you know why? Yes, it is due to the presence of red soil in it. Come, let's discuss about the theme of Mullai land. First, let's speak about the people living here. They are Ayar and Achiyar, who are cattle rearers, and Idayar and Idachiyar, who are milk sellers. Next, let's speak about the forest region. They are Mudumalai Forest in Nilgiri district, Kiriparai Reserve Forest in Kanyakumari district, and the beautiful Shola Forest in Coimbatore district, and Pichavaram Forest. Pichavaram is a village near Chidambaram in Kadalur district. It is the second biggest mangrove forest in India. The magnificent Pichavaram Forest is in Kadalur district. Next, let's look about the soil. The land of Mullai has red soil with stones and pebbles. And next, let's look about the occupation of the people living here. It is cattle rearing, gathering fruits, and sowing millets. And fruits like guava and flower like Mullai flower is seen here. And animals like bear and rabbit can be found here. And birds like parrot, and musical instrument which is used here is called as Mullaiyar. And manufactured products like paper from bamboo tree, safety match from Ailai, fragrance oil from sandalwood tree, soap from neem and pungam, and balm from iluppai. Yeah, that's it from the theme of Mullai. And now it's time to evaluate. Come on children, try to answer. Let's start with choose the correct answer. Come on, try. Mountain and its surroundings are known as A. Kurinji, B. Mullai.
Kurinji.
You're right. Try the next one. Occupation of Kuravar is A. Hunting, B. Cattle rearing.
Hunting.
Mashallah, good. Third one. Dash trees are used to produce paper. A. Bamboo, B. Iluppai.
Bamboo.
Very good, mashallah, you're right. Next one. Kurinji flower grows in dash years. Is it 12 or 6?
12 years.
Very good, mashallah. Last one. Pichavaram forest is in dash district. Kanyakumari or Kadalur?
Kadalur district.
Well done children, you're right. Next, we move on to fill in the blanks. Try to answer the fill in the blanks. The forest region is referred to as dash land.
Mullai land.
Very good. The land of Kurinji was composed of dash and dash soil.
Red and black.
Mashallah, very good. You're right. Occupation of Mullai theme is
Cattle rearing.
Mashallah, good job. Let's try the next one. Mullai land is also called as, children, do you remember? What?
Sembulam.
Yeah, good. Why it is called a Sembulam? Due to the presence of red soil. Okay, next. Fragrance oil is manufactured from dash trees.
Sandalwood trees.
Very good, mashallah. Okay, next let's try to write a mind map on Kurinji Tinai, right? Okay, first tell me about the people.
They are Kuravar, Verpan, Silamban, Porupan.
Good, mashallah. Now tell me about occupation.
Hunting, honey gathering.
Very good. Well done. Tell me about animals.
Elephant, tiger.
Good. Next, tell me about birds.
Parrot, peacock.
Well done, children. Okay, now you have learned how to write a mind map, isn't it? Okay, children. So, as a homework, you are going to write mind map on Mullai land. For this, you can use this empty template of mind map. So, you need to write about hills, people, occupation and animals of Mullai land. Hope you understood? Okay. I request my dear parents, please take a home test on choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. Thank you. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.